This is a story of a camp breeder inverter gone bad. You get what you pay for, and this was a cheap one. So I replaced it with a Rhenology pure sine wave inverter. Now I wanted to add some EMP protection in there, solar flare, just to give it a little protection against little unforeseen things that can happen in nature. So I decided to build a Faraday cage around it. Do it yourself. Used multiple materials. Used hardware cloth. I used heavy duty aluminum foil. And I also used metal roofing. All that was put up against the wall first. Then I used leftover lumber for backing. Also added a vapor barrier in there first. Then I started layering my materials up behind the wall. Eventually it'll be all enclosed on all 6 sides. But I think I created a pretty comprehensive barrier against electromagnetic waves. Each material complements the other to form solid panels. Now I made sure that all 4 sides or 6 sides will contact each other for conductivity. This is the wall that the electronics will be mounted on. And you can see I have a panel in place above. And there's the inverter, the Rhenology that was added.